Cornerstone's reporting capabilities provide you with many flexible options for analyzing your portal data. Our full suite of standard reports can provide many of the answers you need, or you can design a custom report that's personalized for your business needs. Standard reports have been designed and configured to quickly give administrators access to the most commonly needed data sets in the LMS. You can look at users' transcripts, completion data, training hours completed, and more. To run a standard report, click on the Standard Reports link under the Reports tab. Click a category icon from the bar near the top of the screen, and every report available to you for that category will appear in the main area of this screen. Click the Training category icon to run a report on data from users' transcripts and learning objects in your portal. If you're not sure which report is the best choice for your needs, you'll find a detailed description of each of Cornerstone's standard LMS reports in the Recommended Standard Reports Learning article in Online Help. Once you've decided which report you'd like to run, click the link name of the report to view its filtering options. For example, the Curriculum Details report is an asynchronous report that provides the percent of a specific curriculum that's been completed by each student. Administrators can use this report to see exactly which learning objects students are completing, rather than just an overall curriculum status. Click Curriculum Details link. You can filter this report to focus on the data you need by modifying the user criteria at the top and selecting from the filter options in the Advanced Criteria area. If no user criteria was defined, then the report will run for the entire organization. The filters that are available and the parameters that are required depend on which standard report you're running. For instance, the Curriculum Details report requires you to select a specific curriculum. For this report, additional options are listed in the Additional Report Columns area. When you're ready to run your report, you can give it a title or leave this field blank and the default report title will be used. Click the Process Report link. Once this asynchronous report finishes processing, click the Export to Excel icon to download the report to your computer. From the Custom Reports landing page, by default, you'll see all the reports. This includes reports that you have created and reports that have been shared with you that have ran any time. You can narrow down the runtime by choosing a different option from the Ran Anytime drop-down menu. You cannot delete or edit reports that have been shared with you. However, you can copy to personalize further and make them your own. Use the drop-down in the Actions column to refresh previously created reports, export a report to Excel, or even view the history, which is the last 3 updates of your report. The reports that are in bold text are ones that have been summarized. To design a new report, click New and choose the report type. If the information you need is not available in our standard reports, you can create a custom report. Click the Custom Reports link under the Custom Reports tab. For example, if you want to view user training and transcript information, you would choose the Transcript option. If you solely wanted to report on the learning objects in your portal, like the total number of training items by subject, you would choose Training. On the Report Designer page, first enter a report title, which is the name of your report. Then, you can use the Module dropdown to access and combine fields from other Cornerstone modules. You would choose this report type if you wanted to see both performance and training information together. In the Fields column, expand the categories you see to view available fields, or if you know the name of the field you're searching for, use the Search field. Once you see a field you'd like to include in your report, click on it to add it to the grid on the right, or drag and drop if you prefer. Use the Field and User and OU filters to narrow your report data so you only see what's necessary. For example, you only want to view data for active users in the sales division. You would add the user status field to the field filters, set the operator to is equal to, and select the active value. Then, from the user and OU filters, you would select your sales division. Leverage the Sort and Summarize buttons above the grid to sort or summarize your data by a particular field. The Sharing button allows you to share this report with other users or OUs in the portal. It is important to note that only those users with the correct permissions will be able to see the report that you have shared. You can schedule the report to run on a recurring basis by setting the parameters on the Scheduling tab. If downloading the Excel output of your report from the Custom Reports landing page does not meet your needs, you can select another delivery method. The Delivery tab lets you choose between a text or CSV file. It's optional to have the report delivered to an FTP location or emailed to yourself. The FTP delivery location is defined on the Reports Delivery page, which is found under Core Preferences. If you summarize your report, you can also create charts, which can display your data in a more graphical form. Finally, when you're ready, you can use Publish to publish charts to any report's dashboard. You'll find more information about reporting in our online help in the reporting section of the Administrator Guide.